Is this going on? Finally.
Hey, why you not go off?
The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG86 Columbus, Ohio.
Well,
Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations,
That didn't go off because of these.
can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday.
I'm moving those.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG86 Columbus, Ohio.
Alright, so, I don't really care that most of the radio failed. I knew that was going to happen, because for some reason the ER210 and ER50 ruin everything else's reception. I don't know why. Yeah. Next week, I'm probably going to have an EAR10, another HH54, and an ER310. If they... Shut up. If they get here on time. So, I think the EAR10 will definitely be here because it's already got a shipping label, even though I just ordered it yesterday. I think it's coming from Tennessee, so it won't take long. But yeah, just look forward to that.